Today, an intriguing story unfolds as honeybees and yellow jackets tackle architectural challenges through geometry. As their colonies expand, these insects adapt nest cells. Efficiently integrating various hexagon sizes is tough. Honeybees and wasps introduce 5- and 7-sided cells to bridge the gap. This solution nears perfection. Larger hexagons disrupt the pattern, leading to gaps or unstable cells. A 5-7 pair before Delaunay condition breaks is ideal. Evolution's optimal problem-solving shines. Thanks for watching Science Panorama. More scientific tales await.